Hi guys, it's Hinda. Welcome to Cooking Fantasies. In today's video, we're going to be making these delicious blueberry muffins with cream cheese filling and crumb topping. So delicious, and they have the perfect combination of flavors and textures. If you are new to the channel, I always leave down in the description box all the ingredients you're going to need in both the grams and the cups measurements, as well as a link to the full recipe where you could also print it. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified whenever new recipe is up, and let's get baking. Once I have all my ingredients ready, the first thing I'm going to do is add 1 tablespoon of flour to my blueberries and leave them on the side. Then go ahead and mix the dry ingredients, so add the baking powder and the salt to the flour, give them a quick stir to combine. Go ahead and start mixing the wet ingredients. I'm going to be mixing eggs with the sugar. Then go ahead and start adding your vegetable oil while continuously mixing to incorporate it well in the mixture. Once all the oil is incorporated, go ahead and add your yogurt. I used Greek yogurt. You can use any other kind of yogurt if you don't have Greek yogurt available. Once the yogurt is incorporated in the batter, go ahead and sift in the dry ingredients we have prepared: flour, baking powder, and salt. And mix again until you have this beautiful texture. I'm going to leave it on the side and go to prepare my crumb for the topping. You can as well do this before preparing the batter, it's up to you. The blueberries I'm going to leave now on the side. I'm going to be adding them later on before baking, and what I will do is add again all the ingredients, so the salt, the brown sugar, and the melted butter. Simply mix everything together using a spoon or a spatula. You don't want to knead it using your hands because you want it to keep the crumbly texture. As you see here, this is the perfect texture you want to have. You don't want to over mix it. We are going to leave it on the side and go ahead and prepare the filling. To flavor my filling, I decided to add some lemon zest. I have here dried lemon zest. You can as well use fresh ones. And to prepare the filling, it's very easy. In a bowl, I'm going to mix all the ingredients and give them a quick mix with a hand mixer or whatever you prefer. Also with a spatula would work, until everything is well combined. To the beautiful muffins batter, I'm going to go ahead and add the blueberries that we have already coated in flour. And gently fold them into the batter so they are evenly distributed. I'm going to be baking my muffins in these beautiful muffin wrappers. You can either do that or use or bake them directly in your cupcake tin or silicone mold, whatever you have available and you prefer to use, it's totally the same. And I'm going to start by filling my wrappers about halfway with my butter. To add the cream cheese filling to my muffins, I'm going to be using a piping bag because it makes the work much easier, neater, and cleaner. Do not be shy to add a generous amount, about 1.5 tablespoons or even 2 tablespoons, because the filling shrinks after baking. It loses a lot of moisture and it kind of reduces in size. So don't be shy, don't be afraid, just add a big amount of the cream cheese filling to the center. And then go ahead and add the rest of the muffin batter into the muffin wrappers by simply covering the filling with it. And you're supposed to go until about the 2/3 of your wrappers if that's what you're using. and perfect. Remember the blueberries we saved earlier? Now it's time to use them, and I'm gonna be adding some blueberries on the top of my muffins. I'm going with a generous amount of blueberries since they are blueberry muffins. I like the flavor and the texture, so if you're not such a big fan, you can reduce the amount of blueberries, of course. And for the last step, go ahead and add the crumb topping we have prepared in advance. You need about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of a crumb topping for each muffin if you are going for this big size. The point is that you cover the whole muffins with the cream topping, and then it's going to rise and the blueberries are going to bleed into it and it's going to look beautiful. So go ahead, don't be afraid to be generous with the crumb topping also. And then for the last touch, I'm going to be adding some more blueberries at the top. And of course, while baking, the oven should be preheated. So my oven has been preheating to 175 degrees Celsius. That's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The muffins take about 30 minutes to 35, depending on your oven and also depending on the size of the muffins you went to. I went for the big size in these paper wrappers. You can also go for smaller muffins if you're going for the small cupcake wrappers or using your silicone mold. I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you soon in a new video. Happy baking!